Hello everybody, my name is Neda Rouhani and I've been lucky enough to be part of Farhang Foundation's annual Nowruz celebration, and today we are going virtual. I'm here to show you how to do fun, exciting projects at home with your friends and parents. Here we go. Today I'm going to show you how to do this fun goldfish project, and all the ingredients you'll need will be on the farhang.org website. Here are the supplies you'll need for the goldfish project. First, visit farhang.org and download the fish template. Print it out on colored paper. Then visit the craft store and purchase some pipe cleaners, some craft glue, a glue stick, wooden sticks, and acrylic pens, party plates, some googly eyes, and grab some scissors, but please make sure you are with a parent while using them. Don't forget to go into your pantry and grab some white beans. The next step is to take your printed fish and cut them out. Our next step is to glue the googly eyes onto the fish. Grab your glue, just put a tiny bit on the back of the googly eye and press firmly down onto the cutout fish. There's no right or wrong way of doing it. This is all about just being creative and having fun. Now that we've glued the googly eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and decorate the fish. I'm gonna do dots on the orange ones. You could do scales, you could do lines, you could do shapes. Your fish could be any color or design that you like. Don't be afraid to make any mistakes. I promise anything you'll do is gonna look fantastic. Okay, we're done with our fish, and now we're gonna glue them down to the paper plates. Grab your glue stick and position them wherever you like. Don't hesitate to ask your parents for help. The next step is to draw in the seaweed. Grab your acrylic pen and just make some squiggly lines with branches. They could go over the fish or they could go behind the fish. Kind of looks like branches of a tree. You want to pick a color that sticks out. Next, we're gonna add beans and pipe cleaner to create a 3D effect. Grab your craft glue and place it, a bunch of little dots. Place the beans right on top. Next, we're going to cut the pipe cleaners. This is where you'll need your parents' help. I'm just gonna cut the pipe cleaner into 3 parts. It doesn't have to be equal. And shape them into coral reef. Position where you want to glue them down first, and then grab the craft glue again. Okay, now you're gonna have to wait a little while for the glue to dry. Once our plates are dry, we're gonna glue one of the sticks to the back of the plates. So just carefully flip it over and grab your craft glue and firmly place it behind the plate. Make sure that the fish are upright and let the glue dry for a few minutes before gluing the other side. Then we're gonna place some glue on the stick, and so the 2 plates attach, I'm gonna place some on the back of the plate and press down firmly. Now that you're all done and it's dry, it's time to display on your Haft Sîn. You have several options. You could place it in your sabze pot or sombol pot. Push in and here you go. I hope you enjoyed this craft demo, and I hope that you have the chance to try it at home. Wishing you a very happy Nowruz.